In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add file links to Shopify. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to upload a file to your Shopify store, grab its link, and place that link anywhere you need it, like on a page, a product description, or a blog post. Let's start with uploading your file. From your Shopify admin dashboard, look for the content section. Inside content, click on Files. This is where Shopify stores all the files you've uploaded to your store, like PDFs, images, or other downloadable resources. Here you have two options. You can upload a brand new file from your computer, or if you've already uploaded the file before, you can simply select it from the existing list. Uploading is as simple as clicking the upload button and choosing the file you want. Once your file appears in the list, find it and click the option to copy its link. This will give you a URL that points directly to that file. Keep that link handy, because we'll use it in a moment to create a clickable download or reference on your site. Now let's add that file link to your online store. You can place it in a page, a product, or a blog post, depending on where it makes the most sense for your customers. Go back to your Shopify admin and navigate to the area you want to edit. For example, pages, products, or blog posts. Open the specific page or item where you want the link to appear. In this example, we'll imagine adding it to a contact page, but the process is the same anywhere. Click into the section where you want the link to show up. On the left-hand panel, you'll see a text box where you can type or edit content. Highlight the text where you'd like the link to be attached. Then click the Add Link option above that text box. In the link field that appears, paste the file link you copied earlier from the Files area. Below the URL field, you can customize how the hyperlink appears by typing the text you want your visitors to see. This might be something like, download our brochure, or click here to view the file. Once you're happy with how everything looks, make sure to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded a file, copied its link, and added that link to your Shopify store content.